Kilo fait en mode chocolate, fine, fine, oh, bagate, watch your love for like it, wine, I'm on mote, your body, chocolate, go share it, yeah, in my day.
You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need. Kayla D.
Let me show you guys how I usually do my makeup for like my content days, the days where I'm just like shooting content. So I have to have my daily coffee. So yeah, we're gonna be doing makeup in here. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing the hair on camera, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I usually do my makeup for those days. My face is like already prepped and moisturized. I already woke up, did like a whole skincare routine. So we're just gonna get straight into the makeup. Going with foundation, I'm using the Morphe Filter Effect foundation. This one is in the shade Rich 25. For my concealer, I'm using the Juvia's Face Concealer. This one is in the shade 15. I will have all these products listed down below for you guys. While we let that dry down, I'm going to go in with my Sephora Make No Mistake foundation stick. It is in the shade Teak, and I'm just going to take my foundation brush, dab it on there, and we're going to place this right here.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bomb, 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 make a call, make a keep at the bomb, 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 your body, kakara, make a bomb, 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 on a make it. Kilo fait en mode chocolate, fine, fine, oh, bagate, watch your love for like it, wine, I'm on mote, your body, chocolate, go share it, yeah, in my day, double dose, kilo fait, wine, I'm on my lady, tell me what's in your body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want to give me control, even want to get already, I'ma make up my you, I'ma need your I go my you, I'ma need your do maybe, I don't money there, do maybe don't go carry belly, do maybe, let wanna me see, yeah, come see, baby, make a call, make a bomb, 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 make a call, make a keep at the bomb, 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 your body, make a bomb, 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 on a make.
With my powder puffs, I got these on Amazon. I have them linked in my Amazon store down below, and we're just gonna set all of this concealer. Recently there's this new hack on TikTok that I've been actually loving. So what you do first before applying any setting powder is you go in with a pressed powder. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. This one is in the shade Warm Nude. It's like a lighter powder. It's definitely a few shades lighter than my complexion because I do like a bright under eye, so I'm going to use like a few shades lighter. So this is the one that I'm using, and I'm just going to set my under eyes with this before going in with my setting powder.
Fine girl, make it over there.
Do you guys see how that under eye is looking already? And that is just with the pressed powder. I'm going to go into my Huda Beauty and bake my under eyes for about 2 minutes. The rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Kindness in You Pretty Shape Tape Pressed Powder. This one is in the shade Tan Sand. And we're just going to apply this to the areas that I did not apply any of that setting powder to. So I do want to go in with some highlighter. Today I'm going for like a more dewy look. So I'm going to use the High Key blush by Maven Beauty as well.
I gave you all you need. I know what you like. I really love me. Tell me that she gets that.
like chocolate brown shade right here, and we're just gonna smoke this out on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm going with this darker brown shade, and we're just gonna go over that. I'm just gonna go back over it with this brown again. For lashes, I'm going to go in with my own. This one is in the style Dreamy. They're very subtle, but not too dramatic, but it still gives you like that extra you know what I mean? I'm gonna go in with the NYX Butter Gloss. This one is in the shade Madeline, and I'm just gonna go over this. You guys, this look right here is like everything. Like, alright, so I'm just gonna go do my hair really quickly, then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final look, and yeah, I'll be right back.
You wanna get with me, stop it.
So this was outfit number 2. This blazer, Shein, of course, my Shein, all black. I can't show you guys. This is super cute. Actually, this is actually my favorite out of all of them. Outfit number 2. Now I'm gonna go put on the last one, and then we're done for the day. Oh my gosh, my makeup looks so good, you guys. So we're downstairs about to shoot some pictures outside, but I'm getting a coffee for the aesthetics.
Fine, fine, no bucket. Watch your love for like it.